The AvaWeigh price computing scale thermal printer quickly produces barcode labels and streamlines the checkout process for customers. To refill the label roll, first locate the printer panel on the right side of the scale. Pull down on the top of the panel to open the printer. Grab the handle on the inside of the printer and pull outward to expose the entire printer. Disengage the printer lock by turning the top counterclockwise. Remove 3 to 4 labels from the end of your new label roll. Place the label roll on the black 3-pronged spool. Pull the end of the label roll around the white spool between the scale body and the spool. Next, push the end of the label roll between the 2 orange guards. Continue to feed the labels through the guards until the end of the roll is sticking out of the printer exit. Push the label back through the other side so that it wraps around the outside of the printer head. On the final black spool in the middle of the printer, take the end of the label roll and insert it into the metal guard on the left side of the spool and wrap it around the metal guard on the right side of the spool. Once the label roll has been inserted, manually spin the spool clockwise to begin wrapping the labels around the spool. Lastly, re-engage the printer lock and push the printer back into the scale. Ideal for barcode and price tag printing, this printer can handle all your operations needs.